So this is your SST revisions. Alright, we will go through the notes. Before that, I want you all to keep in mind, it's a reminder that even from your SST for half yearly exam, 5 chapters will come. That is from chapter 1, chapter 4, 5, 8 and 9. I repeat, chapter 1, chapter 4, 5, 8 and 9. 5 chapters will come from your SST, same as science. Alright, so chapter 1 we have already done in the school. From 4, 5, 8 and 9 we will go through today. So from your lesson number 4, States of India, this time you don't need to go through the exercise. That is like fill in the question answers and all, okay? In this lesson, what you have to do is you go through only the states and capital, okay? Try to memorize at least 10 states and its capital. So there are more than 20 states and its capital, so you have to memorize 10. Among these 28, 29, you have to memorize 10. And comes to these union territories and its capitals. There are 7 union territories and the capital. So among these, you memorize 5, okay? Among 7, you have to memorize 5 union territories and capital. And from the states and capital, memorize at least 10, okay? And the rest of the exercise, you don't need to go through in this lesson, alright? Now from your chapter 5, that is our food. Let's go through the exercises. Here, first we will go through question answer. That is exercise number 2, answer the following question. So in these questions, there are 5 questions. Only question number 1, 4 and 5 are included. 2 and 3 you don't need to do, alright? So the first question is, write 2 most popular food grains in India. The answer is 2 most popular food grains of India is rice and wheat. Number 4, who are vegetarians and non-vegetarians? The answer, people who eat only plant products are called vegetarians, whereas those people who eat meat, chicken, egg and fish are called non-vegetarians. Don't get confused on this. Vegetarians are those who eat only plants products and non-vegetarians are those who eat meat and all. Alright? Number 5, list the things that can be made from milk. So there are so many products that can be made from milk product. Some are, they are, number 1, cheese, 2, curd, ghee, butter, ice cream, 6 is cream, etc. Many more are there, okay? Now comes to your exercise A, that is name the spices home that cures. Number 1, that help to cure skin diseases. Answer, turmeric. Number 2, that used as an antiseptic. That is cumin. 3, that help to cure throat pain or cough. Cinnamon, CINNAMON, cinnamon. Number 4, that cure in toothache. That is cloves. 5, that improve eyesight problem. Mint, MINT, mint. Exercise C, that is fill in the blank. Number 1, the main food grains grown in India are rice, wheat, maize and millets. Number 2, most people in North India eat dash, that is wheat. 3, the most popular food grain are wheat and rice. Number 4, food habit of the people differ. That means it differs to different type of the food that we want. Okay, now number 5, most of the people of the coastal area eat fish. Why? Because they stay near the ocean, near the sea. Alright. Now chapter 8, that is our occupation. Exercise A, question answer. Number 1 is, what is an occupation? The answer, any job that help us to earn money is called occupation. Alright, number 2. Which is the biggest occupation in our country? That is agriculture. Number 3. Name any 2 occupations related to farming. One is cattle, cattle, cattle rearing, and poultry farm, poultry, poultry farm. Number 4. Name 3 important occupations other than farming in our country, apart from farming. 3 occupations other than farming in our country are: number 1, teachers; 2, doctors; number 3 is carpenters. Question 5, that is, what is the main occupation? It refers to our country, that is in India. Main occupation in India is farming. Farming, farming. Now comes to exercise B, that is fill in the blank. The first one, dash rearing is dependent on farming. Cattle. Number 2, dash and jaggery are made from sugarcane. Sugar. 3, some part of our country have thick dash, that is forest. Number 4, cooking oil is made from dash, mustard, sunflower seeds, and etc. That is groundnut, groundnuts, groundnut. Number 5, dash is the main occupation of many people living in the coastal area, that is fishing, fishing, fishing. True or false? Number 1, farming is the main occupation of the people living in big cities. False. Number 2, cattle rearing is dependent on mining. False. 3, cotton is used to make clothes. True. Fishing is the main occupation of people living in the coastal area. True. Number 5, people take up an occupation according to their needs. True. So match the following and all. These are just your work. Lesson 9, means of communication. So from your page 68, that is exercise B, what are the following? That means full form, abbreviation form. Alright. First one, fax, F-A-X. Full form is Facsimile Automated Xerox. Facsimile Automated Xerox. Number 2, SMS, Short Message Service. Number 3, ISD, International Subscriber Dialing. 4, STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. And number 5, PIN, Postal Index Number. So go through these 5 abbreviation words. These are coming in your half-yearly exam. Now from your question answer, exercise A, that is number 1, define the means of communication. Sending and receiving messages in a very short time is called means of communication. Number 2, what is mass communication? Give example. 2, the process of sending, receiving and any message or information to a large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. Example, magazine, newspapers, television, radio, etc. Alright, now number 3, any 4 means of communication. 4 means of communications are 1, telephone, radio, 3, television, 4, postal system. Now question 4, what is internet? Internet is a network, network, network that connects computers all over the world. Number 5, how do satellites help in communication? The answer, satellites help in communications for long distance, to receive, 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 or relate the signal in different parts of the world. So these are the question answer revision. Fill in the blank. The first one, the act of sending and receiving message is called dash. The answer is communication. COMMUNICATION, communication. Number 2, dash are the most popular means of communication in India. Letters. Number 3, facsimile, automated Xerox, is full form of dash, that is fax, F-A-X. 4, dash are used for long distance communication, satellites. Number 5, dash is a network of computer all over the world, internet. Now come to true or false. Number 1, donkeys were used to carry messages in ancient time. False. Number 2, all our letters reach the destination within a few hours. True. We send our urgent messages through telegram. True. 4, telephone is a means of mass communication. False. 5, internet is a network of computer all over the world. That is true. So these are the revision notes of your SST. Go through everything clearly. Try to do correction by yourself also. Some have already submitted, some are not. So try to complete everything and start preparing yourself for your half-yearly exam. Thank you.